Alright guys, what's up? We're back with another video here today. Today we're just going to be going out and fishing a little pond of my buddies. But the catch is, we're going to be throwing my own homemade Senkos. We're going to see how many we can catch on that. So hope y'all enjoy this video, and I'm going to link those down in the description, the video of how to make those plastic worms. And hope y'all enjoy this video, and give a thumbs up and enjoy.
Boo-Boo hooked up for the first time.
What about a little largemouth on the homemade Senko? You know what it is? About a 2-pounder.
I like little fishing, but I like coming out here and like going to rigs and catching some.
Yeah, no, it's just like whenever you can't catch them anywhere else. No.
Sounds like it.
Just leave it. It's good. It's number 2, guys. Not a bad little one. Fun to catch. That's all I got right here, guys, is a little wacky rig Senko. It's homemade out of recycled plastic. So, I mean, just a little wacky rig. Gets them every time. Sorry. Hey, he swam off just now. I got a little one.
Oh my gosh. That bass is chasing that bluegill.
I do that all the time. They know I catch them. I've never seen one catch them.
I caught one on one here. One coming here.
What is it?
I caught him on the blue here.
Yeah, I know.
Little one, guys. These guys are gonna grow in here, get healthy. Not a bad little fish. Try to remember him. Get that little dot right there.
I gave that one. Not the nice one.
Got him. See you, Drew. I'll see him in here.
I'm gonna switch to Senkos.
He's pretty good. No, I think that was perfect. That hurt. Alright, buddy. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop.
What'd you get him on, Drew?
Senko.
Homemade?
Homemade.
All the way, baby. Let's get it. I don't know why, but they like to sit like right here, don't they?
I think that one just tried to hit it on the drop. Yeah, I was gonna say, it looked like it just tried to hit as soon as it hit the water.
It's a third, a third. All of them have black dots on them, bro.
This one was a good video.
Yep. Dang, bro. Dang, little bro. There you go, guys. There's another little one, but fun to catch, you know. Just getting out here, putting in a little time with buddies. How many? Is that 4?
Are you in there?
Yeah, 4. How many you got? 4?
3 or 4.
are you throwing?
I can't tell you.
I mean, I've caught 4.
Yeah, that's definitely the biggest one today. How big's that?
Not real big. Oh, he's pretty good actually.
He's chunky, dude.
It's a little better fish right there, guys. A little fatter. We're just catching one of those homemade Senkos, you know. Just getting out here. Pretty fish. That's probably my best one there. Here, you get him another one. That little one.
Buddy, he's trying to get all the way down there.
Hey, are you using your Senkos?
Yeah. Bring him over here, Greg. I feel like I should. Did you get him back, Drew? Is that a good one? Pretty good one. Attaboy, Drew. Yeah, that's a good one.
Boys fishing Senkos, boys. Oh, got him stuck. Still
Drew. Take the big one. You feel like barely? You barely have to, like, sometimes the fish is about smaller. Yeah, that one is about smaller. Fish number 6. Fuller's fishing Senkos. Let's go. Yeah, is that a good little?
Dang right, buddy. Could have a good fight on it.
Ooh. Let me see. Pretty good one.
Yeah, buddy.
What on?
Senko.
Alright guys, so we had a pretty good day. Me and my man Drew and Little Boo. We got Cody over there. We had a good day, so like as always doing, we just got the pond here. And we was throwing the Senkos out.
Forrest Fishing Custom. Caught about 7 on mine. I'd say Boo caught about another 7.
On mine. We had a great day. Not much more you can ask for. So I actually have a video on how to make these in my in the description here. So if you want to go check that out, that'd be sweet. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. So leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and like for more.